Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is your host, Steve. I am back with another XPlus model kit review, and this will be an open box review of the Tyrannosaurus Rex by XPlus model kit. This is a 1/35 scale all plastic model kit. It was just released this year of 2023. Let's go ahead and look at this kit and break it down the SMKR way. Open it up. And right away what I noticed was some wire rolled up here. Plus all the parts are molded in a light brown color styrene. Individually bagged. And the base here, that's very nice indeed. Does give us some details on the bottom of the base. Made in China. However, it does not give us a date anywhere on that. And lastly, the instructions are contained within a clear plastic. Oddly enough, I did receive another set of instructions in the box. I received my copy from Cult TV Man, and I really don't know why I received another copy of the instructions outside of the box, but the instructions are included here. So give me a chance to take these out of the plastic and we'll look over the parts. As like most of the XPlus model kits coming out here recently, they are provided to us in a Aurora style long box with some of the artwork, photographs of the kit contained on the box, and very nice, very reminiscent of those old 1960s model kits from Aurora. Same with the instructions. The instructions do come in a fold out type presentation, and these are in a not pure white but in an off-white color, and give you instructions on what to do first when building the kit. It's a fold-out instruction, and that's what it looks like there. And you can see there's a lot of details here when it comes to building this. Let's get a closer look here just real quick. And obviously this kit is a little more encompassing than those old Aurora kits. There's a lot of parts included with this, and they do tell you to test fit the parts before gluing, right? Test fit twice, glue once. You're definitely going to want to clean the parts up really good. A good washing and soap and water, mild detergent in warm water would be good to get rid of the mold release agent that is on the molds. And believe me, they do use a mold release agent when they're stamping these kits out over in China. And we can see what our wiring will be used for that big electrocuted fence that we see in the movie. And we did get a figure with this. It makes a very nice display piece. So I was super excited when this kit was announced, and it really caught my eye. I was kind of surprised that it wasn't offered as a vinyl kit, seeing that a lot of your dinosaur kits from XPlus or even Star Ace are the vinyl type kits, but this is styrene plastic, which makes it very nice. Turn it over, then it does give us the painting diagram for it. Gives us color call outs on where to paint and what to paint, and then they give us a pro tip on painting the eyes. That's very nice there. So there's a survey they want you to fill out. You can scan the QR code, make it here close enough so you can scan that QR code, and I think they want to know, do you want to see these next two kits? I have no idea what the survey is. I have not gone to it, but keep an eye out for these kits too. The Velociraptors, Blue and Beta, and Spinosaurus. Both of those are, of course, from the movie. Let's go ahead and look at the parts. first is the base, and like I was saying, this is molded in a light brown. It's almost has a yellowish or goldish tint to it, and you can kind of see that, I'm sure, in the video here. But very nice. Here you have the ground, and the area where the fence is going to be with footprints from the dinosaur. And here's our first tree we'll look at here, and this looks like the internal workings of the dinosaur here, and just kind of giving it a quick view here. Looking at the sprue attachment points, they look very good there. They're not undergated whatsoever in this case, so it's definitely going to be easy cleanup, at least for these two parts. And the next one appears to give us teeth details, the mouth. Once again, very nice here. We do have very small attachments to the gates, and they are good there. No undergating. And you're asking yourself, what is undergating? I explained that in my Vampirella kit reviews previously, if you don't understand, but undergating is basically when the gate is attached to the underside of the model, and this is usually done for plated models. So if you got like a valve cover or something like that, it's plated, and you don't want to remove the plating when you're taking off the sprue. That's what the undergating is for, is to protect you from losing any of the plating on the parts that's visible after the model kit is glued together. Here's the next one. You can see we have a footprint here, parts of the tail, scales and such. The attachments on the sprue are very good, very small. There is some undergating on this one here a tiny bit, but I don't think it hurts. You're just going to want to clean it off really good. But there you go. Here's the next one. This time it gives us some more details as far as the feet and the claws and the figure itself. It's very nice. Let's get a closer look. So there you have here some of the details for the claws and the gates, the fencing itself. Very nice. The figure, this is the back side of the figure. Arms and claws. The head. And I will give you a closer view of the head here in a little bit. The other side. And the front of the figure. Very well detailed there. Very nice. Detail on this figure is outstanding. There's the head detail. Here's the next tree, and we did receive some more parts for the fence, more parts for the feet. Looks like the back spine detail and such. It's going to be hard for me to name everything that is with this, but it looks like we also received the front of the mouth area, and we have some undergating. Not undergating, we have slide molding going right here. That's an indication of slide molding for the front of the jaws here, right there, and right there. That's very cool there. Give you a close-up view of those. And it's very nice. And of course the fencing, electric fencing. Backside. The next tree looks like we have the thighs of the dinosaur Very detailed there, very nice. Just a slight bit of undergating there, you can kind of see that. So that will take some extra cleanup on your part because you want the seams to fill in flawlessly. If you leave that in there, they will not fill in nicely. So a little extra cleanup is required for the undergating on these parts. Seems to be a common trend with these kits coming from China these days. Even with the aircraft kits that I've seen being reviewed that are coming from China, they're doing a lot of undergating on those airplanes. So just be aware of that. More parts of the torso. Give you a close-up of that. And fantastic detail here, very nice. Very impressive there. Some more undergating right there. Very nice. And here's the next tree. Gives us the nameplate for the base. Jurassic Park logo. Very detailed here. And here's the real wiring cabling for the fence. Very nice there. Very soft and pliable. And the head of T-Rex. You can see it's two parts. Very detailed there. Eyes are pretty good size here, so they'd be very easy to paint up, and you could follow the instructions for that. But this is very nice. Great profile. Here's the bottom of the head, and the neck. Very, very detailed. Let's put those together here just real quick without pushing them together too tightly. That's what that would look like. Very cool. So that's what makes this kit so cool, is it's actually a diorama. You get a diorama with this kit, and I think it's well worth the expense. I believe this model kit ran me about $70 including shipping. So it's well worth that, I believe, because you're getting a whole diorama. It is in 1/35 scale. The figure definitely looks to be 1/35 scale. So bravo to XPlus coming out with this kit. It's a very nice display and a very cool concept, I think. And there you have it. That was an open box review of the new XPlus model kit, the Jurassic Park Tyrannosaurus Rex. This is the all plastic model kit in 1/35 scale. So if you like my content, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.